Hello, I thought I'd just do a quick update of what I got going on my van. Today I got the insulation all put in, and I'm mainly doing this just for condensation. I really don't think that this insulation's gonna, it may, keep the floor a little warmer, but not, it's probably, the floor is gonna be cold. I believe that because you got air coming up under the van and hitting the bottom of the floor. So I'm just trying to mainly do it so my plywood doesn't condensate, or the condensation doesn't get under the plywood. So I've had this insulation for a while. It's this Energy Star warm wall. I had it just laying around, so I figured why not use it. I just been making templates out of cardboard, and I actually saved them. So I got the cardboard for the wheel well and the gas thing there, and really all I did was just kind of rough it out, and then what I do is just get it as close as I can, and then I'll just put tape around. Show you here real quick. If I get it, like I'll just say that's a piece of tape. If I got like a gap there, I'll just kind of put it close, and then just keep getting closer. Maybe angle it until I get it really close. That's pretty much how I did that over there. Is I took my square right there, squared it up against that rib, put the other 90 against that, and drew a line straight out, and I made a box. So I ended up with a big gap on my template around the radius, and then I just taped it, kept taping it around until I got the radius pretty close. So that's how I make templates, and then this is how I'm going to fasten my floor down with these cargo hold down bolts. And I put those in there just to hold the insulation temporary. I got 4 of them. I got one there, one back there, one back there, and back there I did the same thing with cardboard. I just stuck it up underneath that black. Let's go back there. Stuck it up under here, and it wouldn't go all the way, so I had to cut the corner off a little bit on both sides and then shove it in a little more, and I just got it until the flat part was right here, and then traced it one more time, and then I just cut the whole thing out. So, and I got these marked because now I can just take all these pieces out and use it for the template for my plywood, because I think it's going to be a little more accurate than the floor mat. The floor mat kind of lays up here, it doesn't fit perfect. So I was thinking about maybe using that, but there's snow everywhere out here. I don't really have a place to lay it flat that's not going to get my plywood all wet. So I'm hoping instead of manhandling that big floor mat, maybe I can just take just the sides here and get my main, and then of course this is in the center.